I am County Councillor Pat Davis, County Councillor for Fishguard North West. I am one of 4 members that we form a steering group of the Lota project. We were looking to refurbish Lota Park with modern equipment. I first became involved with the project through my association with the youth project in Fishguard, Point. The youngsters in Point had lost their skate park, which was here in Fishguard. It had gone past its sell-by date and became unsafe, so it had to be demolished, and the young people were skateboarding around the streets and car parks, so there was a real need for that skate park to become involved. At the same time, there were a group of young parents and young people in the community that wanted to upgrade the park with play equipment for all ages. They formed themselves into a group, so it made sense at that time that those that were looking to reinstate the skate park and those that wanted to refurbish the park as a whole formed one group, and that's how the Lota project came into being, and with the support of all our community we've gone from strength to strength. The last big project that we are undertaking is to secure funding for the Lota Park. We've been in receipt of one large grant and now we are going with a final funding application, hopefully to secure the rest of the finance to finally put the skate park here on its original footprint in Lota Park.
What makes this skate park special is that the young people of Point helped design it. I'm Rebecca Evans and I've been chair of the Lota project for about 4 years now, and I'd like to say thank you to the whole community for supporting our project, for their generosity, for everything they do to support us as a group.